what you want, we sell. We got verses plus some hitters, get them bodies out of here. Hold on, bro, be 7, got it hard and bought that straight from off the scale. Let's go.
But man, it's your boy, ugly boy Katie, and we here with a video today. You know, doing a little challenge, man. I challenge all y'all to do this. The spicy noodles challenge. Real talk. Stay tuned. This right now, we got it in the microwave right now. You feel me? We doing this something. We'll be back shortly. Once again, had to show y'all what's going on here, man. Real talk. And this is our most dangerous key to the spicy noodles, you feel me? Real talk, man. There's regular beef, but I'm going stupid. How could I forget the hot sauce? Louisiana pure crystal hot sauce at that. What's up, guys? You know, then I'm back. You feel me? As you see, I got the cayenne pepper. You feel me? Has pork seasoning all up in it, or some Creole seasoning. I got some banana peppers. I already mixed them up. Oh Lord. Let's see. I don't want to. It's pepper. Oh no. Cut. No, cut. I'm done. I am dead, man. Gotta get my life together. Oh no. Yeah, I'm like, man, bro, this mug got me bad, man. Had to cool off a little bit, man. You know? But look, say goodbye to these. I don't care. I don't care.
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass. The sun is still